Now we have to calculate highest profit percent beverage. Determine which beverage has the highest profit percent and identify the beverage that has been sold the most using the order sheet. Okay, again I will create pivot table and we already selected the table range and we set the location to here. Let's copy the title. Yes. So we have to profit and beverage. So for profit percentage, we have to percentage of grand total eligible grand percentage. Now we have to plot this, insert new column chart. Let's change its color. Let's add highest profit percent beverage. Also add access title also and remove the legend. This is our beverage. This is our profit. Now let's check we have to sort this or not. So we have to identify the beverage that has the highest sold. Okay, again we will sort this sum of profit. Here you can see